When it comes to choosing the right barcode scanner, there's no one size fits all, but there are three key factors that help you make the right decision: the environment, the connection type, and the application. These three elements define how well your scanner will perform in your business environment. Let's break it down by industry. In retail, the environment is low risk, so you don't need a rugged device. If the products come to the counter and are lightweight, a corded scanner offers simplicity and great value. Need to move to the product? A cordless scanner is ideal. Don't forget the scan engine. 1D scanners are perfect for basic barcodes. 2D scanners handle QR codes, mobile tickets, and digital loyalty programs. In healthcare, functionality matters, but so does hygiene. Scanners with antimicrobial casing help prevent the spread of bacteria. Corded or cordless depends on the workflow, and 2D scanning is now standard. Warehouses and manufacturing floors are tough environments. Here, rugged scanners are essential. They resist drops, dust, moisture, and temperature swings. Cheap devices fail fast. Rugged scanners protect uptime and investment. So remember, environment, how it connects, and what is it used for. Get those three right and your scanner will work smarter, not harder. Still unsure? We'll help you match the right scanner to your exact needs, saving you time, money, and headaches. Talk to us today and get scanning with confidence.